Alam mo si Eman kasi, kamukha ng nanay niya yan, physically. Pero ugali ko yan. Baliw din ako eh. Magkasing baliw kami niyan.
She had the best of both of
The
you.
best of both, yeah. She had the academic mind of the mom. She had the looks of the mom, but she had my craziness. Kaya lang yung craziness niya medyo lumagpas. Hindi ako umabot sa ganun eh.
Tsaka yung people skills. Yung nagta-tricycle, yung
Oo,
nagba-grab,
oo,
ikaw yun eh.
oo. Nagmana sa akin yan sa ugali.
Oh, Kim. Sana may
Yeah.
magawa kami to ease your pain.
No, this interview is good. This interview is good. Nalilibang ako. Again, ayoko nga mag-isa eh. Kasi pag mag-isa ako, nalulungkot ako eh. Sobra. And to be able to talk about Eman this way, ano yan, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng, you make me, you give me comfort also.
Does it help na isipin mo na lang, imaginein mo na lang, she's looking down on you.
Yeah, I
And
think of that all
she's
the time.
happy where she
Yeah,
is.
yeah. I talk to the Lord all the time. When I pray, I tell the Lord, tell Eman that I love her. And I'm sure alam niya. Yeah. We'll get over this.
Yeah.
In the Lord's time, in our time, we just have to grieve.
Wala na akong gustong tanungin pa, pero baka ikaw meron ka pang gustong ikwento.
Gusto ko lang, sa mga nagmamahal kay Eman, napakabait na bata ni Eman. She was brave, despite the fact na may iniinda siya. Hindi niya pinakita yan. Nilaban niya. She was very authentic. Kung anong tunay, sinasabi. But with those two traits, Eman was also kind. She did everything with kindness. Ngayon wala na si Eman, just be a little kind every day. And when you're kind today, Eman will live in our hearts. And that will give me comfort as well.